In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a really easy Clickbank method, and you can drive some really good targeted traffic to your Clickbank products or Digistore 24. Doesn't matter. You can use any affiliate product that you want. This is an affiliate method, and I'm just using Clickbank as the network to show you how to do this method. Now, this method, before we get started, is not a free method to market. Okay, our marketing is going to be paid ads, but it's going to be less expensive. It's not very expensive to do these paid ads, and you can drive some pretty good targeted traffic to your affiliate products. Alrighty, so if this sounds interesting to you, you want to stick around and watch this whole video. Not going to be a real long one, going to be reasonably short. Pretty easy to do this. Okay, first of all, I want to talk to people that are new to my video. If this is your first time to my videos or to my channel like you see here on your screen, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here. And if this is your first time here and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, well, reach down there below your video right now, click on that subscribe button and click that notification bell there so that you get notified of each new video I upload, and you can come and take advantage of it immediately. Alrighty, when they're brand new. Alrighty, guys, so let's get that out of the way. Let's go ahead and get started on this. Of course, first thing you want to do is you want to come over to Clickbank. Now, if you don't have an account at Clickbank, it's free to create one. Just click sign up on clickbank.com, and you can create your account there and just fill out their form, and they will send you an email confirmation. So you want to make sure that you get that verified and get your account validated, and then come back and get logged in at Clickbank. And then you want to click right up here where you see my mouse is on Marketplace right here, and it brings you over here to the Marketplace page. Now you can do this with Digistore 24 or JVZoo or any affiliate network you want to. Just pay attention here. Alright, now, so what I did is for this particular method that I'm going to show you, you can use any product you want. I clicked on e-business and marketing right here, guys, in the column categories here on the left. You see, clicked on e-business and marketing, and it brought me over here to e-business and marketing, you see, and I sorted by gravity here. And I scrolled down until I found this product right here. It's called the Free Traffic System. Flood your sites with free traffic. Well, I'm going to go with this product because it's, well, everybody needs traffic, right? Every online business, heck, even every offline business for that matter, needs traffic, right? So this is going to be good product that everybody will be interested in, pretty much, I would think, because it's about traffic. Everybody needs traffic or eyeballs on their business, right? All right, so that's why I'm choosing this product, and you can make about $288.77 per sale on this, and it does have a trial. So it's $2 right here to get started. Here it's a $1 trial. It says there's a little conflict between those two, but it has recurring billing. You see right there, guys. That means there's up sales in the back end of this, and you have recurring monthly income, which is, well, commonly known as passive income. Alrighty, so this is the product we're going to use. You can see sales page here if I click on that, and it brings it over here, and it's got a nice, it's actually a nice sales page here. It's got some good information. See right here, it says it can get started for just $1. It's 14 days for $1, and then it's 37 a month after that. And it shows some little testimonial things here and some proof, and then on down here, and it gives some information about it. It's a really good product, and it's a good sales page. All right, so we're going to use this. Once you get your product chosen and you decided on the niche that you want to do, and you have your product chosen, where we're going to advertise our product at, which we will come back here in a little bit, and we'll get our affiliate link by clicking on promote right here. All right, so but what we're going to do is we're going to advertise on this site right here, guys. Look up here in the address bar. It's adhitz, ADHITZ, adhitz.com. Alrighty, this is the site we're going to use. This site gets a good amount of traffic per month, about 60-some thousand right now on this thing. But what we're going to be doing is this: we're not going to be publishers on this site. We are going to be advertisers on this site. As you can see, they got advertisers and publishers here. So what you want to do is you want to click on sign up. If you haven't registered, you can click right up here where it says register, and you get signed up on this account. and they will want you to validate your email address from this site as well. So get that done, come back, and then we'll get logged in here. Actually, before we get logged in, though, I wanted to tell you about this right here. Is you can, if you have a website, you can put your website on here, and then you can offer advertising on your website, and people will pay you to advertise your to be able to advertise on your website. Okay, well, that's one way. That's a publisher thing right here. But we are going to be dealing with advertisers here. It says reach your target audience with ad hits. You could be receiving millions of ad impressions every day. And that says on, so we'll learn a little more about the advertising right here. As you can see right here, it says, guys, advertising on ad hits. With ad hits, extensive network of publisher websites, your advertising can be seen by millions. Complete stats and graphs of your advertisements performance, including impressions, click-through rate, and more. And it says, with our in-house anti-fraud mechanisms, ad hits can help keep your click fraud to a minimum, keeping your advertising costs down. And state-of-the-art advertising serving platform guarantees fast, efficient delivery of your advertisements. And then it says ad hits shows over 50 million advertisements a day across more than 20,000 publisher websites. Like I told you, if you have a website, you can put your website on here and sell ad space right through this site and make money that way too. That's two ways you can make money here. We're talking about advertising though. So what we want to do is we want to click on the advertising side of it here, and what we want to do is come up here and we're going to click on buy network ads right here. You see that, guys? So we'll click on that. Now it says right here, it says give your advertising campaign a name. So for example, I could just type in Kevin's campaign, and we are not, it says here, select the type of content that you're advertising. Well, we are not doing adult content. We're not doing the relationship niche. You can if you want, but we're not doing gambling, so I'm going to tick right here. It says none of the above, guys. And then what kind of ads do you want to use? We're going to use text ads right here, guys, so we're going to tick on it. You could use image ads and pick your different type of banner size right here, but we're not doing it. We're doing text. Now you can do geographic targeting here. You can show your ads everywhere. It shows right here, guys. Or you can show your ads in these regions right only, and you can pick the regions that you want by checking the boxes here. Alrighty, or you can show them in these countries, which is probably every country in the world right here, guys. You can also do that as well. But I think for our case, we're just going to say show it everywhere, all over the place, right? So then we'll click on the next step right here. Now, it says here, it says how much do you want to spend? It says your advert will receive an unlimited amount of impressions. The CPC or cost per click will be determined by its geographic origin, ranging from 2 cents to 30 cents on the dollar. Please see our CPC rates page for more information. Well, it says right here, what is your total budget for this campaign? Let's just say right here, we're going to start with $10. See how you can start with $5, you can start with, $2, you can start with any amount you want. Well, let's just say $10 would be a good one to start. And it says this is the amount of your total budget you want to spend per day. So we could say, let's say out of that 10, I'm going to go for 2 days, so I'm going to make it $5 per day. So this will get me 2 days of advertising. Or you could put in $50 up here, guys, and stretch it out for how much you want to spend per day, and then they'll stop at that point each day, right, that you set. And it says the next step here is we will create our ad, and then it comes over here, it says please enter your ad details for your advertising campaign. So we're going to add an ad headline right here. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to get let's see here, find the reason. I'll tell you what, I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to fill this information out so I don't hold you guys up, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, and I'm back here, and what I did was, as you can see right here on the screen, I put in the headline that says make 128 plus per day, and in the description, as you can see, I added in some of the description. I just took this information right here, as you see right here, these few lines of information right here, and that's all it would hold. You're only allowed 70 characters. So you can see over here at the live preview, it's got to make 128 plus per day, no Google, Facebook, or Bing ads, no creating videos, newbie friendly. And then what it's asking now is our destination website name. I just called it the free traffic system. And then over here, our destination URL, guys, right here. We're going to come back and we're going to get our Clickbank link right here. So I'm going to click on promote, and then we want to make sure that our account nickname is in here, and we can put a tracking ID. And I think I'll just go ahead and go add hits. We'll just call it add hits so I know where it's coming from. That's optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And then we'll click generate our hop link, and then we can just go ahead and we'll copy that. And then we should just be able to go ahead and paste that link right in there. I think just like that. Clear that out since that's already there. We will just go ahead and go just like that right there. Clear out the HTTPS in our link right there. We can leave that there, and then it's already got the heading. You can choose your HTTP right here, guys. You can see this. It's a little bit small, but make it HTTPS so it's secure. You want the website to be secure, right? Alright, so then it says now our ad start date. Well, today's what, the 18th of September, guys, 2021. So we can go ahead, and I think we'll set it up to start, let's say, on the 20th, on Monday. Alrighty, and then we're going to go to the next step right here. And then it says right here, your basket currently has one item in it. And then if you have, I guess if you have a discount code, you can put that in here, and so on and so forth. Of course, I don't. And you can see here's the summary of our ad right here. And then it's the total payable is $10. Now it says if you wish to purchase more ads today, please use the continue shopping button and place them all in the shopping cart before proceeding. And then you got to click here to read the, make sure you've done that. And then they tell you here you can pay with your card. You can do coin payments. Minimum $12 is required to use that. You can pay with your card. You can pay with Skrill or AirTM right here, guys. So it's just a matter of then you just click down here and you can pay with that, and your ad will start then on the day that you told it to start. Alrighty, and I'm going to go ahead and do this here. I'm not going to do it while I'm on the video with you guys, but I am going to go ahead and run this ad for just like you see it right here for the $10 and see what happens, right? It's like the old saying goes, you can't catch any fish unless you put your fishing line out there in the water, right? So it's the same thing here. Come on over and take action on this, guys. This is the method I had for you today. It's really easy, it's short, and you can get started on this and begin to drive some targeted traffic straight to any affiliate product that you want. Alrighty, guys, if you like this method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you have any comments down there, leave them down below. Tell me where you've seen this video from, and let me know where you're from. Okay, I'll reply to you in the comment. Alright, if you have any other questions or whatever, you can leave them down there in the comment section too about this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that little notification bell if you haven't done so yet. If you want to see my affiliate high-ticket marketing video presentation, reach down there below in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com. And come over and click on that. Come over and check it out and see my free video that will reveal to you the formula of how you can get started in high-ticket affiliate marketing. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.